Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your health screenings with Blue Shield. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your health screenings with Blue Shield, begin by visiting the Blue Shield website. Log into your member account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up option to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Health and Wellness section of the site. Look for the Screening and Preventive Services link within that section. Click on this link to access information about covered screenings. Review the types of health screenings available under your plan. To verify specific screenings, locate the screening you wish to check. Click on the screening to see details about coverage and eligibility. If needed, contact Blue Shield's customer service for further assistance. Prepare any necessary information, such as your membership number. Customer service representatives can help clarify any questions you might have. Once your screenings are verified, make a note of any applicable deadlines. This will ensure you complete your screenings on time. After verification, schedule your appointment with an in-network provider. Use the provider directory available on the Blue Shield website. Confirm your appointment and take your insurance information with you. After your screening, keep a copy of your results for your records. Lastly, revisit the Blue Shield site to monitor the status of your claims. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.